Welcome to the chemical workshop. In this little series, we will make a wood distillation apparatus, to make wood alcohol, better known as methanol. Here you can see the built product. I haven't tested it yet, so this is fully experimental. It may work, it may not. Let's start building it. The first step will be the container for the wood. Here you can see a paint can with hole drilled in it. Here is an 1/2 inch cap with hole in it. My friend ground the top to make it smooth. I'm going to attach both parts together with metal epoxy glue. It should hold up to the heat. If it won't, there are backup plans. Use some good solvent to clean the surfaces so the glue will stick. Now unwrap the glue. My is 2-component epoxy in hard form. It will be a sticky mass once mixed. So just follow the manufacturer's mixing time and applying. Yes, I know it looks like I'm mixing sticky shit. It is very sticky and messy. Let me play real time. Oh, by the way, I was recording this part at my home, so glue shots aren't that good. Okay, let's speed it up 8 times. Just apply the mass and stick both surfaces together. You can cover the holes. You need to remove it from the hole later anyways. And make it neat on the edges so it forms tight bond and seal. Here we are few days later. As you can see, it looks quite good actually. This sticky mass is now rock solid. The hole looks okay, the gas should easily pass. The bottom part is done. Now let's focus on the 2 copper parts. Here is the adapter I'm going to use, copper pipe to 1/2 inch male joint. Make sure to use all metal one because these plastic ones will most likely melt. Now we need to mount it somehow in the vise. If we do it unprotected, the threads will get destroyed. So I'm using a 1/2 inch cap. Now assemble the adapter and the pipe like shown on the screen. Take a wrench and tighten the nut. Also try to press the pipe into it at the same time to make a nice seal. Just do exactly the same on the other end, but use a female end. Oh, and I'm not really telling any sizes because I just used what I could get. It is fully experimental anyways. Now you can connect the pieces. Get a piece of metal pipe. Mine is 1/2 inch. Add to it a 90-degree joint. Now on the other end, screw in your female to copper to male pipe adapter. I'll explain its role later. On the end of the 90-degree joint comes a copper pipe. Just mount a male adapter like shown previously. No need for anything on the other end. I also bent the piece to make the distillate flow once condensed. So it's pretty much done. Now I'll explain how it should work. Here comes wood which will be burned without oxygen inside. The resulting gases have to go up the column. Now comes this copper chamber in play, which I want to fill with a catalyst, and because it's copper and it conducts heat well, I can heat it up with my little torch. Now hopefully my homemade methanol will be going up the column and condensing and dripping at the output. There are only 2 ways to find out. You can subscribe to us and wait until we do it, or, you can try it yourself. I would be happy to inspire you. Nighthawk in Light gave me some inspiration, but to be honest I wanted to try it since a long time, but I'm still gonna mention him. Links in the description. In the next part we'll explore simple wood gas and operation of the apparatus. Trying to make methanol using catalyst will be in the 3rd part. Thanks for watching till the end. Oh, and welding the cap to the thin paint can was quite a bad idea.